Okay, the next question which we are going to take up is over here. It says diagram, this is a picture frame. Okay, this length is 24, this length is 20, this whole thing is 32, and this whole thing is 28. You have to find out the area of each section of the frame. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is the same. Okay, so this is, my diagram, as I said, is not very good. So you are going to look at the diagram here. Okay. So now let us see what do we actually have over here. Area of each section of the frame. So I have a rectangle over here. I can give it a name ABCD. Okay, ABCD, and the others I can give the name EFGH. Okay, now I can find out. Okay, you have to find out area of each section of the frame. So if I have to find out area of ABCD, is very easy. Area of ABCD, this is also one area, one section of the frame. It is 24 into 20. This would be 480. Is in centimeter? Yes, it is in centimeter square. Next, I can find out now what, look at these things. These are all trapeziums. Here, 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 here. These two will be same and these two are going to be the same. So area of triangle ABEF. Area of trapezium ABEF. ABEF. Let us look at this trapezium. Okay, over here you see this whole length is 28, so this one is also going to be 28. This is 20, so this is going to be 20. So for these two trapezium, the lengths are, one of the parallel sides is 20, the other parallel side is 28 for both these trapeziums. What about the height? The height of this trapezium. Now see carefully. This length is 24. Okay, this length is 24 and this length is 32. Difference between them is of 8 centimeter, out of which 4 is here and 4 is here. It's symmetrical diagram, isn't it? So this difference, 24 and 32, difference is 8, out of which 4 here and 4 here. So these trapeziums, they have height of 4 centimeter. So area of trapezium ABEF is going to be half into 20 plus 28 into 4. Okay, so 2 2s are 4. This is 48 into 2 is equal to 96 centimeter square. And same is going to be the area of this trapezium. Okay, this trapezium is HGCD. Okay, area of trapezium HGCD is going to be the same. It's going to be equal to 96 centimeter. Okay, these are the same. Now look at these two. Now these two trapeziums will be the same. So I just need to find out one of them. Let us try to find out the area of trapezium BCFG. Area of trapezium BCFG. BCFG. Let us see. BCFG. Over here, what are the sides going to be? Parallel side, this is 32 and this is 24. So I get these two, 24 and 32. Same thing will happen here also. 24 and 32. Now, this length is 28, out of which 20 is here. Balance 8, 4 is here and 4 is here. So, okay, anyway, it was given that the width is same, so it has to be. Okay, so here it is, 4. Okay, so same thing. This is going to be half into the 32 plus 24 into 4. So 2 2s are 4. 32 plus 24, 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. 56 into 2 is equal to how much? 112 centimeter square. So these will be the area of these two trapezium. One is 112, the other one is also going to be 112.